SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
You are going to love 2011 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut. Inside you'll find tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.